Start. Some 70% of our population reside in rural areas, and almost the same percentage of people are poor, and they earn their livelihood in the agricultural farms. Stop. The number of agricultural laborers is much more than of the farmers. Stop. We have to pay special attention towards them. Stop. If we want to eradicate poverty, we have to begin with the farmers' fields. Stop. We have started spreading the green revolution, and we are happy to see that during the last 2 years an improvement has been noticed for the first time in Uttar Pradesh. Stop. Improvement has also been noticed in Bihar, Orissa, and Bengal, where the output of farmers is increasing. Stop. Poverty has been reduced in the rural areas. Stop. At the same time, we have to pay special attention to the production of cotton, oil seeds, and pulses. Stop. In this way, we will see that with the spread of greenery, poverty would be gradually reduced and would ultimately vanish. Stop. This year, we have provided more resources than ever before. The programs meant for eradication of poverty. Stop. At the same time, we have strengthened the administration as part of the poverty eradication program. Stop. I have myself traveled far and wide, and after seeing the work with my own eyes and discussing the matter with the officers, strengthened these programs and intensified them. Stop. Most important all, we have treated education as a part of the poverty eradication program, because as long as the children of the poor people do not get good education, poverty cannot be eradicated. Stop. Today, however, we find another problem before us, a very serious problem, that is of unemployment of the youth. Para. We find signs of permission in our youth. Stop. Millions of our young people do not succeed in getting employment, and millions remain dissatisfied even after getting employment because they do not get what they want. Stop. We have to concentrate on the employment scene. Stop. There are some weaknesses and deficiencies in our setup. Stop. There is employment, there are jobs, but the education skills that are required to fill up the vacancies are not there. Stop. Millions of boys and girls are matriculates, millions of them are degree holders, but all cannot get white collar jobs. Stop. We have taken care of these things. Stop. In our new education policy, it has been our endeavor to make up for the deficiency in our setup. Stop. Through this policy, we will ensure that the boys and girls stop.